Did you see my glasses?
Yes, they are on your head.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, but please do not fall asleep again.
Are we having soup for dinner?
Yes, because it is easy for our old teeth.
Are we late for the bus?
No, we are early for once.
Did you bring your umbrella?
Yes, I learned from your mistakes.
Should we plant more flowers?
Yes, the garden will look happier.
Are you watering the plants?
No, I'm teaching them how to swim.
Do you remember our first trip together?
Yes, you got lost, and I saved the day.
Should we go for a walk today?
Yes, the doctor says moving is good for us.
Do you remember where we parked the car?
Of course. I wrote it down because I know you.
Are you drinking my tea?
No, I'm testing if it is poisonous.
Are you cooking eggs?
No, I'm doing a science experiment.
Are you cooking my favorite meal?
Yes, but only because you washed the dishes yesterday.
Is the weather nice today?
Yes, perfect for sitting outside.
Did you hear what the neighbor said?
Yes, but I pretended not to.
Did you check the mail today?
Yes, but no letters from our grandson.
Did you hear the rain last night?
Yes, it helped me sleep well.
Do you still love me?
Of course, even when you ask silly questions.
Are you eating the last cookie?
No, I'm just protecting it from you.
Are you cleaning the kitchen?
No, I'm searching for hidden treasure.
Are you opening the window?
No, I'm inviting the wind inside.
Are you laughing at me?
No, I'm laughing with you. A little.
Are you eating chocolate again?
No, this is medicine for happiness.